Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today we'll learn about variables in Python, how to use them in print statements, and understand where values are stored in memory. We'll also cover basic data types. Let's get started. Today I'll be using Scikar, a popular integrated development environment or IDE, which is great for Python projects. You can download it from JetBrains' official website if you haven't already. Let's start with variables in Python. In Python, a variable is a name that refers to a value stored in the computer's memory. Here, we assign the value 5 to the variable score. So scores is the variable name, and 5 is the value assigned to it. The equal sign, or equals operator, is used to assign values to variables. Next, let's see how to use variables in print statements. There are different methods to do this. 1. Using string concatenation. In this method, we convert the variable to a string and concatenate it using the plus sign. Two, using the print function with multiple arguments. Using the print function with multiple arguments is more straightforward. It automatically converts the variable to a string and separates it with space. 3. Utilizing formatted string literals for string formatting. Formatted string literals provide a concise and readable way to format strings in Python. Simply prefix the string with f and insert variables directly within curly braces. Now, let's talk about memory locations. Every variable in Python is stored in a specific location in the computer's memory. We can find out the memory location of a variable using the id function. This function returns the unique identifier for the object stored in memory, which is the memory address of the variable score. Let's now define and discuss some basic data types in Python. These include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. We'll use the type function to check the type of each variable. 1. Integer. An integer is a whole number. Here, age is an integer. 2. Float. A float is a number with a decimal point. Here, length is a float. 3. String. A string is a sequence of characters. Here, name is a string. 4. Boolean. A Boolean represents either true or false. First, let's define a Boolean variable. Access granted. This variable acts like switch, determining whether access to our facility is granted or denied. Now that we've set up our variable, let's see if access is granted or denied. We'll use conditional statements for this. Let's change up the scenario a bit. Suppose access is now denied, we'll update our variable accordingly. Now that access has been denied, let's recheck if someone can enter the facility. And there you have it. Boolean variables are powerful tools for controlling program flow based on conditions, just like we did here to manage access to our secure facility. That's it for today. We've learned about variables, how to use them in print statements where they're stored in memory, and the basic data types in Python. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into the world of Python as we explore fundamental operations, including arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations utilizing these variables and data types. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.